Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Sagurjit and you're watching Sagurjit88 YouTube channel. So in this video I have purchased a second-hand Bandsaw. So it was purchased from a furniture shop owner. So he himself doesn't know how to run this Bandsaw and he won't even get a perfect man to run this Bandsaw. So that's why he sold it on OXL from where I purchased it. So you could see the condition of the Bandsaw is very bad. So it's rusty and most of the paint has been removed. So so I shall repaint it in after disassembling. So first of all I shall dust it. So I shall clean the bed with the help of a brush. So I shall clean the black color with the help of thinner. So now I have shifted the Bandsaw to my workshop. So first of all I shall disassemble it, and first of all I shall open the main cover. So now I shall remove the blade. I shall open the blade guide and also remove the blade guide leg and the blade guide leg stopper also. So now I shall loosen the blade tensioning wheel. So this wheel has been removed. So now I shall loose the platform bolts. So the platform is removed. So now I shall open the main body cover. So now I shall open all its body covers. It has four body covers. So I shall loosen these screws and open the body covers. Similarly, the second body cover will be removed. So friends, I don't like this color combination, so I shall repaint it with Oxford blue and gray combination. So it's a very good color combination. So we can see the most of the tools are of that color, that is Oxford blue and gray color. Now we shall remove the motor. So the motor is not fastened, but it was simply placed on the platform. So and now I shall remove the cover, last cover also. So you could see the Bandsaw has been disassembled. The most of the parts have been disassembled. So before painting it, I shall rub it with a sandpaper of number 400, so that there could be surface should be rough before painting. So all the body of the machine will be rubbed with 400 sandpaper. Now I shall paint its body covers with Oxford blue. So I shall paint these covers 2-3 coats of paint. So I shall paint both the interior and exterior of these cover cuts. So I shall use this color combination in my one or two upcoming projects. I like very much this color combination, that is Oxford blue and gray. So friends, if you are new to my channel, you could subscribe my channel and also like this video. So the inside of the main color is going to be painted. Now we shall paint the outside of the main body cover. So friends, do share this video among your friends and groups. So if you won't like this video, then press the dislike button. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up button and also press the bell icon so that you could get the notification of my upcoming video. So I shall paint 2-3 coats of this color on these covers. Now I shall paint the platform of the machine. So I shall paint only the sides of this platform. There is no need to paint underside of this platform. So now I shall fill the dents of the body of the machine with NC gray putty. So I shall fill the damaged surface with NC gray putty. So where I couldn't use the putty knife, I shall fill it with my forefinger. So now I shall rub the platform of the machine. So guys, you could see that how rusty the platform is. So I shall rub it with the rotary brush. So I shall rub it 2-3 times, and now you could see that it has become very bright and the rust has been removed. Now I shall clean with a cloth. So now I shall rub the rest of the parts of the machine with wire brush. Now I shall rub the blade guide leg of the machine. So now I shall sand the filling with 80 number sandpaper, and after that I shall use 150 number sandpaper, and finally I shall sand with water and 400 number sandpaper. So now I shall paint the body of the machine gray. So I shall paint 2-3 coats of this color simultaneously. Now you could see that the damaged surface of the machine has been painted very well. Now we shall fit the motor. So I shall fasten these nuts. So these are 4 nuts. In this way the motor has been fastened. Now I shall put the platform and fasten these 2 nuts. So now I shall fix the main body cover of the machine. Now I shall put the blade of the machine. Now I shall fasten the tensioning wheel of the machine. Now I shall tension the blade, and I shall also fasten these push-up nuts. Now I shall fasten the blade guide leg and also fix the blade guide assembly. So I shall adjust the blade guide assembly so that the blade could move easily. Now I shall adjust the blade guide bearing and fix it. Now I shall put V-shaped welt over the pulleys of the motor and the machine. Now I should connect the main wire to the wires of the motors, and I shall cover the joints of the wire with electric tape. So now I shall cover the body of the machine. So this machine has four body covers. Now I shall fasten the second cover of the machine with these four nuts. So friends, you are requested to like this video and also subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you could get the notification of my upcoming video. So if you like this video, then do press the thumbs up button. If you don't like this video, then press the dislike button and also share this video among your friends. So in this way the last cover is fastened. So guys, you could see the comparison of the color combination. So the I'm very happy with the result. So this band size looking just like new. So this color combination is very beautiful and the finishing is very good. So now we shall take the test run of this Bandsaw. So I shall make 2-3 cuts. So you could see that the Bandsaw is cutting very smoothly. So though the blade is rusty yet, but it's cutting very smoothly. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So thank you very much.